This tutorial describes how to set up a Stripe account through your OfferingTree site in order to receive payments. To begin, go down to the Client Payments section and you'll see the option to connect a payment processor. If you haven't already connected any payment option, then this is the only thing that you'll see. If you already have an account set up, you'll see that listed below. In this case, I'll go ahead and click on Connect Payment Processor. You'll see Stripe, which works in more than 30 different countries. OfferingTree does not store credit card or banking information. We only pass it along to Stripe for them to store. So the first thing I'll do is connect a Stripe account by clicking this button. And as soon as I click that button, I'll be taken to the Stripe Connect page where I need to complete Stripe's application process in order to set up my account. Now, if I already have a Stripe account, I can go ahead and enter the email address for my existing Stripe account in this field right here. If for any reason I don't complete my application with Stripe, then I'll see a red indicator and also a button that says Complete Application within my OfferingTree site. If you want to receive payments via Stripe, you'll need to click on this button to complete your application within your OfferingTree account. So in this case, I'll click Complete Application, and you'll see that I'll be redirected back to the Stripe Connect page where I'll be asked to complete my account information. If you've completed your Stripe application, but when you return to the Client Payment section of your OfferingTree site, you may notice that there is a blue icon with the words Pending Approval on the screen. This means that Stripe may be asking you for additional documentation in order to verify your account. This is a Stripe requirement and not an OfferingTree setting. Sometimes Stripe will ask you to provide a government-issued ID or other documentation in order to verify your account. To provide this information, you'll need to click on the Edit Account Information. This will take you back to your Stripe account, where you can then proceed with providing the additional documentation. You can also go directly to your Stripe account, as you'll probably receive an email from Stripe asking you for additional documentation to verify your account. Either way is fine. So once you've completed your Stripe application process and fulfilled any additional requirements that you might have, you should see a green indicator icon and the words Active. As mentioned before, this can take up to 5 to 10 minutes. Once you see this green icon as well as the words Active, it means that you can begin to accept payments through your OfferingTree site. This will allow you to accept donations or fixed fee payments for any classes, workshops, retreats, events, or bookings that you have set up through your OfferingTree site. I could now click on my schedule page, and if I add a new offering, you'll see that when I scroll down, I now have the option to accept online payments, to accept donations, and to require payment at registration. And then I can also choose to pass the fees on to my clients or students, or I can choose to absorb these fees. Once I click Create, this would set up a paid or a donation-based offering. And we look forward to seeing everything that you have to offer.